So I got a comment on my video where I showed when I painted the door. I mean, not me, but my daughter. And the comment was that I need to do not one, but at least three coats. So yes, I will take your feedback, and I will definitely plan to work on it. And I'm quite happy with the weed removals which I did 2 days back, and I have a plan to make this garden the most beautiful garden in the entire world. And the plants that I have are really big. I want to basically make this boundary here. So first of all, I need to trim the plants and that blackberry bush on the right hand side. This is although blackberry. I mean, I like blackberry. I mean, that is the name of my channel. But the bush, the blackberry plant, is not very nice. The plant is a bit naughty, and if you leave it like this, it will take control of the entire garden. So I need to trim it, not only the blackberry plant, but also in all these bushes here. And I need to basically make this boundary, and I'm planning to increase the width of my grass field area. So this is my rose, and this is the apple tree which I recently planted, and I have these two sheds. I I'd of course have to do something about them because they are not really in good shape, but I need to first fix them slightly if I can, and then paint it. And of course, these sheds, I don't really think these sheds were painted in the last 30 years or 40 years, I don't know. So I keep my machine to cut the grass. And good thing about this shed here is that I do have a connection. So as you can see, this is the great thing. I have a connection here for power, and this is the wire that actually goes all the way over there. So let us see if I can fix these. I mean, to be honest, these sheds are not really in bad. I mean, they are in bad shape, but they are fine. And the main thing that I need to do is I need to fix the door. So last year I broke the door, my shed door, and I'm not really planning to buy a new one. I'll probably find a door. If you have a door that you are planning to throw, give it to me. I'll use it in here. And yeah, this garden is of course a very simple garden, but I need to make it look better. And last year I also tried growing some vegetables. I think we all should try to learn these things, basic things. I know I am not very good in gardening, but I'm learning. I'm trying to improve myself. I'm trying to, of course, share my journey. And to be honest, I don't really think gardening or growing your own fruits, vegetables is a rocket science. But I think we should try to learn it. And by the way, I also have a front garden where I need to do something because I'm actually a bit ashamed showing it, but yeah, I'll show you. So this garden, my front garden, is basically, if you look at my garden, I was planning to remove the grass and also cover it with these stones, which I tried doing last year, and I managed to do only 10% of it or maybe 20%, but I need to basically do something about it. Uh, it's a lot of work. I can also hire someone to do it, but I guess I'll do it myself. It's much more fun, and it is, of course, a good workout. So I'll keep you guys posted, and thank you for your comment, John, about coating or doing three coats instead of one. I will do that. All right, that is all. Oh no, one more thing. One more thing. So this is the setup I have now for the NUC. So this NUC, this Intel NUC, which I purchased for £5, it works perfectly. The only thing which is missing is a VGA cable. I mean, I do have one VGA cable, but that is being used with my ThinkPad X220. So I am now trying to get either a VGA cable or mini HDMI to HDMI, which is of course not very easy to get these days. So I'll probably use it as my CCTV center, or I'll probably use it as a media center. I'm not really sure, to be honest, what I will do. And this is the adapter charger which I purchased for 12.99 pounds. Yes, this is 5 pounds, this is 12.99 pounds, and this is going to be my setup. And let us see what uh, what I can do with this particular small, very nice computer. All right, bye bye.